kill this nigga, dog.
Don't run, don't 50 on that, dog.
115, dog. We just killed you, so you know you gotta kill him.
You gotta get that nigga 50 on that one, dog. This nigga was so disrespectful with that shit. With his old dirty McGruff ass, ugly McNasty ass nigga, old sloppy sandwich eating ass nigga, sit down, old biscuit eating ass nigga. You an ugly ass, weak ass, broke ass, on the nigga couch ass, motherfucking crusty ass,
Trying to save money ass.
homo ass nigga.
Time to get money. I got a million reasons why I'm better than them. A million. Yeah, about to give y'all one right now. So, in case you ain't know so, baby. Let's get right into it.
Step back. Look at the teeth. Look at the fucking teeth, dog. You can see his titty in the teeth, dog. Oh, dog. That's not cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog.
Even the white teeth. It's a mother of pearl ass here.
You can't not cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog.
Even the white teeth. It's a mother of pearl ass here.
Look at this. Look at that, cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog. Cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog. Cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog. Cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog. Cute, dog. Look at this. Look at that, dog. Cute, dog. Look at this.
When you get mad, it's boxing again.
Wait.
The tearaway
Wait. You can't rip that nigga's shirt off, dog. You cannot rip that nigga's shirt off, dog. You cannot rip that nigga's shirt off. That shit was...
we trying to get mad.
Relax. Oh, that nigga got no hands. Hey, Wallace, it's all good, it's just a white tee.
It's all good. I apologize, man.
This is what happens when too much alcohol comes across too many young people. Look at this bird shirt. Bird game.
Let me go, Jay.
Bird game.
No, I did not rip you out of the shirt.
Nigga ripped him out of his shirt, dog. Hey, somebody ripped him. All I'm gonna say is that couldn't be me. Couldn't be me, dog. Could not be me. Is this Jerry? Is somebody ripping Jerry? Hey. This nigga ran for real.
Dog, what's good, Wayne? What's good, Wayne?
I mean, y'all did rip that nigga out of his shirt, man. It couldn't be me, dog.
Fifth, dog. I mean,
1, 2, 3, 4. Ask me another question, nigga.
The proof is in the pudding, nigga.
Hey, stop the tape. Stop the camera.
My shirt off. Took my shirt off and all the hoes stopped breathing.
Y'all see me.
You ain't worth shit, nigga. Nah, nigga, you was priceless with no price. You ain't worth shit. You was done. You was done. Then you say you was trying to match, dog. Why you say that, bro? Look at the T, dog. Look at the nigga T. Look at the nigga T. Dog, the nigga. Like, look, though. Look, you come with that nigga just like, am I gonna get a smack or am I gonna get some crack? You know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping it like that. You know? That nigga just mad nasty with it. I mean, I would hate to be gay, but if I was, I'd like to look like him. You know what I'm saying?
You know.
You are, but they not.
Dog, this nigga married, right? This nigga married, right? Married. This nigga so broke, he sent his wife home so he can sit on your couch, sleep on your couch. That's a broke ass nigga. This nigga rather buy you off.
Collect fucking married chicken.
He rather buy you off Kool-Aid glass.
Kool-Aid. Grape ass
What, that shit
nigga. Dog, hold on.
It tastes good.
That shit tastes
He learned this off a rap song ass nigga.
You know.
I read the book he black ass nigga.
Look, Wayne.
all right. We taught this motherfucker how to
Your mama taught me how to spell.
Ooh, might be in between collecting that paycheck from your sugar daddy ass pops.
No, step back.
Let's get it.
Take a step back. Look at these shoes. Look at these shoes, dog. You sleeping those. Nigga, what are those? What are those? Mr. Out on your toes.
Mr. Out on the play in the World Cup ass nigga.
I wanna play in a sandcastle ass nigga.
Hey, you do got some motions going right now.
So they got some Air Moses 5,000 going. You know. Air
Street smart with a little book sense. A young nigga with a lot of common sense. They say I'm shallow, but I think so deep. How deep? Deep is the abyss. So when you get a